What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. If you're new to the series, what I'm doing this week is providing you guys a plethora of videos on the best iPhone 13 Pro Max cases. I'm doing a review on each individual case. I've had these cases for several months, so I'm very well versed in what the case does and what it doesn't do. So I'm gonna keep these videos short and sweet, between 3 to 4 minutes, and at the end I'm gonna do a video on all the cases to let you know which one I think is the best and kind of rank them in order. Now, these cases are considered the best in my opinion, might not be yours, but in my opinion, due to price, protection, style, overall look, and if it's MagSafe and wireless charging compatible. So this video, we have the Spigen Mag Armor case. Spidey, you know he's my official timekeeper. He keeps me on point all the time. Anywho, this is a Spigen Mag Armor case. You can get this for about $24.99 on Amazon. Not expensive. Spigen is a very well-known brand. I always get a Spigen phone or a Spigen case anytime I get a phone. So I definitely recommend almost any Spigen case for any phone. But we're gonna throw this on and see what it looks like. The case is fairly thin. It does have MagSafe in it, as you can see by the ring indicator on here. So throw the phone in here. Boom, 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 boom. You got a raised edge for your camera cutout. It has a little like laminate or shiny like design kind of going throughout the case. You got the cutout for your charging port, your speakers, your power button, your volume up and down buttons, and then your volume switch. So check the edges. The raised edges are pretty good. So if it slams face down, some say the phone never slams that way, but whatever. If it slams face down, it's protected. Obviously, if it slams on the edge, it's protected, but it has a little, not grid, but like stripe design on the back. It's kind of textured so you can feel it. You got your Spigen branding at the bottom. So obviously it has the MagSafe ring in there. It is MagSafe compatible. We shake it. It's not coming off. It's not coming off. Obviously you can just slide it off, but the magnet is very strong. And let's check wireless charging. Snaps right into place, and you have wireless charging. So overall, I would say this phone is great. I haven't had any issues with this. Whenever I want a slim kind of case on my phone, which is most of the time because I don't like big bulky phones like maybe an OtterBox, but I would go with this. It still provides protection. It looks great to me. It's in black. I don't think you can get any other colors, but I could be wrong. Just double check with Amazon. But I'm feeling this case. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Spidey, where we at on time? About 3 minutes. All right, cool. But thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.